Hello, my name's Susie Christie and I'm a Student Services Team Leader at our Lewes campus, and I'm here to introduce the Careers Service for all students at all of our campuses across Lewes, Hastings and Eastbourne. We have dedicated careers teams with experienced, highly qualified advisors to support you with your progression choices, and we've got a friendly, open door policy so you can pop in and see us at any time with any questions. You can also book yourself in for one-to-one guidance appointment to fit in around your timetable. We support you with university, and we also have great links with local employers. We attend careers fairs and open days and have a series of speakers coming throughout the year. So come and see us when you start your course, pop in and say hello.
Hello, I'm Hannah Smith, Student Services Team Leader at the Hastings campus.
Hello, I'm Tracy Harrison, Careers Guidance Advisor at the Hastings campus.
Hi, I'm Marie Blair. I'm the Student Services Team Leader at the Eastbourne campus.
Hi, I'm Susie Christie. I'm the Student Services Team Leader at the Lewes campus.
Hi, I'm Kate Beecham, Careers Guidance Advisor at the Lewes campus.
Hi, I'm Christina Setcheray. I'm Careers Guidance Advisor at the Lewes campus.
This